Hey YouTubers, Cruff 39 back at you. My '04 GMC Yukon replaced the well, not replaced, had a had this hose pop off right here about 2 days ago, and spilled the coolant out over the engine. It's a little bit of the residual burning off the hot engine. So far so good. No leaks so far. Looks like I'm back on the road. My truck was out of commission a couple of days, but looked like my little repair worked. So far so good. No leaks. And heat inside. Oh yeah, got heat. My heat back. This heat is coming from your heater core. And so far, let's see, rear heat. Oh yeah, rear heat and front heat. So hey, my baby's back on the road. All right, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe.